Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For our video for today, let me share with you two earning Android applications that pay money through our PayPal account. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get the latest updates on my channel. So the first application I want to share with you is the Pawns.app. In the Pawns.app, you will see if you are already have an account here or you are already signed in. Well, I will be putting the referral link on the description box below so that you will be redirected directly to the signing up process of Pawns.app. But upon signing in this application, you will see a lot of information or details regarding this application. The first one that you will find here is that there is an available $3 in our referral gifts. So it says here that Pawns.app pays you $3 on top of everything you earn with our 3-step program. So we will dismiss this portion for a while, and the next way to earn in this application is by the means of sharing our internet. In sharing our internet, it says here that toggle to turn internet sharing on and off. And as you can see, I already have at least 0.004 gigabyte which I shared in the Pawns.app application. If you are asking if it is safe, by experience, I can say that sharing our internet here is very safe so far. So in order to enable this, so that we can earn passively without doing any task, just by sharing our internet, let us toggle this one and ensure background sharing. So let us click continue and stop optimizing battery usage. So just click allow, and then it was enabled already here. And the next part is we have here our available balance for our referral gifts. Okay, so later on I will share with you on how we can request a payout just by using this button later. And another way is we can earn our money here by means of referrals. So in our referrals, when we invite our friends, we can get $3 and give $3. So you earn 10% of every payout. So it means that if your friend is able to finish all the tasks needed here, every time he or she is requesting for payout, is you will get 10% of those total withdrawal that your friend asked for. So you can have your referral code here. So if you are already using Pawns.app, you can post your referral code on our comment box below so that you can invite more friends using our channel. So next part is there is a portion here about reading the blog of Pawns.app. So if you have any question, if you are asking if it's safe, you can read it here. So can I use more devices from the same account and IP? So by experience, it is not allowed to use more devices using the same IP for the same account. Okay, so that's all for the home tab. And the next part that we are going to look at is the surveys tab. Okay, so what is it is all about? If you want to earn faster using Pawns.app, you're going to do or answer these tasks. So there are 3 categories for the task, like the suggested, the shortest, and the best paying. So you can see here the best paying tab, I think they pay bigger compared to the others. So let us look at suggested. So you can see here there is a popular category which pays 0.21, 0.11. So if you're going to answer all these surveys in one day, and if they paid you, is you can earn at least more or less $3 per day. But anyway, there is not always this number of surveys every day. Okay, so just to make sure of that, and at the same time we can see here the shortest depending to the duration or time needed to answer the surveys. So this is the survey tab. In order to shorten this video, I will not answer any of these surveys for a while. And another way to earn here is this tab, the quest tab or quest tab, however you pronounce it. And here is we will have a pre-spin. So let us choose spin for free, and congratulations, you have won 5 extra tickets for the ongoing lucky draw. Okay, so let us close this one and let us choose lucky draw. So these are the points that we accumulated from here. So we have ticket here, and we have upcoming lucky draws starting in 6 days, so we can use our tickets for our lucky draw. So this is the quest tab. So let us go to available. So there is this start your challenge, and another way to earn tokens here is by means of checking out their Instagram. So let us say, let's click this one, open community tab, and go to their Instagram account, Pawns.app, and let's go back to our application and go back to quest and claim your reward. So there is an additional tokens added here. So let's click continue. So you can browse the application, so forth and so on. What are the use of these tokens anyway? So we go to rewards tab. So if you choose spin here, you will be deducted 10 tokens here. So I will not do that for a while. Another way is you can boost your earnings by paying a 60 points of tokens. And another way, if you have enough tokens or coins or points available, is you can see here that you can buy at least $1 in exchange of 300 points and $2 in exchange of 600 points. Okay, so if you have enough available balance, you just go back to home tab and go to your balance here, and then let us just click request payout. Of course, my request payout will not proceed because I don't have a minimum payout of $5. So don't stop sharing your internet and completing surveys. You're almost there. So the minimum amount required for us to request a payout is $5. So we cannot do this right now. But if you have enough balance, you can click this one. But anyway, let me remind you that if you are going to sign up here, the email address that you use for your PayPal account should be the same in signing up in this application. But anyway, let's go to more tab and go to payouts. So as you can see here, I have requested a payout last May 13, 2024, and it has a paid status, and I requested 5.13 US dollars. So this is all about Pawns.app. So let's close this one. And another application that I use so that I can earn money for my PayPal account is MoneySmS. So here in the MoneySmS, it is just very simple. You just need here a valid email address as well as a phone number. Before you sign up here, upon experience, I am suggesting and recommending that you will just use a spare SIM card that you have. Do not sign up your phone number here which you regularly use, because in MoneySmS they will be sending some SMS in your phone number, and they contains some verification code. And this is one of the thing I am thinking here. If you are using your personal phone number here, it is possible, just a thought, it is possible that your account that you used to sign up in another platform will be possibly compromised if you use your personal SIM card here. So I suggest that you will just use a spare SIM card here. So these are the history of the SMS that I receive here. So from top to bottom, from latest to the earliest, I have here the received message using MoneySmS. So you have your Google here, your TikTok, your Bingo Plus, your Bingo Plus, so forth and so on. I didn't receive any sent or even voice. And going to this tab is we were able to receive at least 26 SMS within 30 days. And while you are receiving SMS here in your balance account, you can see is I have an available balance of 0.42. So I will be putting my link on the description box below, because if you use a referral code, you will get an instant 0.50 euros. So that still gives an amount for us. So this how this application is being used. And as you can see here, I have already request a payout of 2.01 euro in the month of June 13, 2024, and the account information I have here and the payment method is you can use your PayPal account. But anyway, in our PayPal account is the minimum account required for this, as you can see here, is 2 euros. So you needed 2 euros to request a payout here. So if you are asking if it really paid me, I will go to my PayPal account. So here in my PayPal account, as you can see on June 13, if I click TellQ, you've just received your payment from MoneySmS. If you've received the payment in a currency you do not hold, etc., etc. So I requested a 2.01 euro. So it appeared and reflect on my PayPal account. And the good thing about MoneySmS is that they are paying instantly. The moment that you requested, they say that it will take at least 24 hours, but on my case, I already received my payment instantly. And another thing is the Tremendous, and this is the Pawns.app application. So I requested in Tremendous or Pawns.app application at least 5.13 USD, which is equivalent to 284.33 pesos. So as you can see here, this application are really paying as of the moment. And if this video is able to help you, please don't forget to say thank you on our comment box below. And thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and God bless you.